give dogs chocolate, Chrissy.
Taylor, come here.
Huh? Esme, don't give the dogs chocolate. Esme. Okay, too late.
That is a red on it. Come.
Look at her enjoying her cake.
Oh no, not again. Not again.
She's eating flowers.
Look, wait.
That's wafer cake.
What do you want me to say?
I can't do it. Not again. Yeah. You don't like it? I need that part.
I don't think so, no. It's okay, just let them be.
Chrissy, come here.
I won't kill them.
I says, look.
Chrissy.
That's not funny.
I like Sprinkle one.
Esme.
I like Smokey more.
Ava.
Smokey was in the house all night last night.
He was?
Yeah, he didn't pee anywhere.
Are you proud of him?
Yeah, Uncle Bob brought him out because...
Hello, you help me.
Where'd my fork go?
Thinking that they had talked.
I got it.
You're so funny.
Papa.
Did you make a wish, Precious? You made a good wish?
And they may help with me.
Baby, may I help you wish?
Yeah. And me.
That's good.
Good job, I'm so full.
I'm gonna put it back.
What is
That's
this?
mine.
I want to eat this.
I guess I'm sitting on the little chair.
They made a kitty in
And Esme, you could bring spaghetti for lunch tomorrow.
Huh?
Oh, her. Birthday big bag.
Huh?
Big bag.
You should have made mom a plate.
I take it.
Oh, I didn't know. Oh, okay. Bye.
Let me blow.
Super.
I got hot girl in the present.
If somebody gave you a high five with no fingers, would it still be considered a high five?
Precious, look. Pink. I have some. You have to chew it. You have to chew it. Look, Precious.
I wouldn't accept it.
Look, Amelia. Take you with that.
If somebody with no fingers gave you a high five, would it still be considered a high five?
Took this one.
So they'd be like this. No, so really?
I'm done.
Okay, let's get her face washed so we can get her some, open her gifts.
And then we're gonna get you washed.
Just wait.
I help you give.
Amelia wants to wash up. Go with your sister. Up full.
I need to wipe my face. Wait.
I'll go back in the hall. Here, girls.
Oh.
Get the covers, girls, please.